Hello, everyone. My name is EJ Okafor. My experience with CTT is the concept of taking things step by step and narrow it down. After coming back from Information Technology School, CTT, when I get to CTT, they help me narrow everything down. Said, okay, EJ, let's go from A plus, network plus, and security plus, and go from there and see which of them that you can prefer a lot better. By the time I took the A plus, network plus, and security plus, I was able to say, okay, I think I'm gonna go into cybersecurity and be able to professionalize on that area. CTT also helped me get into working because I have to work with the school district in Tampa Bay or Hillsborough County, Tampa Bay Tech for 5 years. I was able to say, okay, I'm going to go into a master degree program where I talked with them over there and they said, oh, there's a school called WG that after you get all this, you can be able to transition. CTT have helped me in every step of my IT career because not only they help me get stuff. They also channel me to which area do you think you want to go. It's a lot of them. That channeling was what I needed, and they helped me to get that done. And now I can really take my certification with ease, like as if once, because they were able to develop my idea on the department I really want to go. I also love CTT because they put the works order that if you want to get a job, there is a process in which once you come out, you're out there. I was able to teach for 5 years. I was able to get into my master's. Thanks for CTT, in which direction I needed them to guide me and get me where I want to be. Thank you very much, CTT.